Ego has a certain proportion. It is 3 by 3 by 6 meter, but it has the proportion of 1 by 1 by 2, which is like a rectangular block. It's the simplest structure, man-made structure that can become so many different things. And we use this proportion and this block shape very often in our work.
Well, since the beginning of our practice with the first piece called Fragile Future, what we hope to achieve is that, when you walk into the room, it touches you in a way that you just forget where you are. Yeah, it's reconnecting to nature through technology. I think the difference between this piece and previous pieces is that this piece can have this fluid movement and non-material almost disappearing in space.
There's this natural movement in this piece that you cannot mimic, you cannot program it, you cannot do that with motors. It just is in the nature and the physics of the object. So it's like basically a module or a molecule or a particle of which we build our world. Human structures which are rigid, solid, controllable, stackable, efficient, which have to do with our nature to have control or somehow about this massive world that we find scary. It's because no matter what technology has changed our world in the past 2,000 years, we still have the same problem. That's the ego of mankind, thinking we are the most important, thinking we matter more than everything else in this world because we think we have control. It's not the technology is going to save us. We have to change our own minds and our own perspectives and broaden up our ideas in order to make a change in this world. And that has always been the case. That is what this block, this ego represents.
I just think we cannot make that compromise to make something that's Instagrammable or that is like easily filmed. It's completely different in real life than that you would see on a screen. It's too big, it's too like thin, it's like almost
not there, it's almost
ethereal.